Tired of feeling trapped in a cell phone plan that doesn't quite fit? Let's unlock the secrets of the US Mobile free trial, so you can experience their service risk-free. First, eligibility. New customers are typically the only ones that can try it. Visit the US Mobile website and look for the free trial option. It's often prominently displayed on their homepage. Now, activation is key. You'll likely need to provide some basic information and select a trial plan. US Mobile may ask you to download their app during this process, so make sure you do. The app is essential for managing your trial. This is where you will find all the controls for tracking your data and seeing the details of the free trial. Keep in mind the usage limitations. The free trial usually comes with a limited amount of data, talk, and text. Check the specifics of your chosen trial plan to avoid any surprises. Test the network coverage. Use your phone in places you frequent. Your home, workplace, gym. To see if US Mobile's network meets your needs. This is super important for making sure you have the best possible coverage where you are. Run a speed test if the app allows it, or simply pay attention to call quality and data speeds. This is an effective way to determine if the coverage is good for you. Finally, evaluate whether the service meets your needs. Is the call quality good? Are data speeds sufficient? Does the app provide the features you want? If the answer is yes, you are ready to consider switching to a paid plan. Now you are ready to test US Mobile with confidence. Sign up for the free trial and see if it works for you.